Hey, what's up? Rif G here, having some fun in the studio.
In this video, I'm going to show you how I used a TV, my camera, my cell phone, and Adobe Captivate to make this effect happen. Check it out.
So here's what I did. I used Adobe Captivate. For those of you that do not know what Adobe Captivate is, you will find it
right here where your mobile apps are under the CA icon. And that will open up different aspects that you can use. Materials, the type, graphics, shapes, colors, looks, patterns, brushes. You can create brushes out of all different kinds of things for your Photoshop brushes. Pretty awesome.
and I'm looking at it through my cell phone. I have an old TV over there. I have the camera on the TV looking at me through Captivate on the screen. I mirror casted to the screen, and then I'm using the camera to record off the front of the screen to get this effect. And I can change settings right in Captivate here. If I want to add it to color, I can go into the colors, change it over to color. Just wanted to jump in here and let you know that in the next part I'm a vector graphic talking to you through video. Check it out, here I am going back into black and white just like that. Pretty cool stuff.
So you're probably asking yourself, what would you use that effect for? Well, it might be good for a music video or something like that, or if you want to create a creepy intro to a movie or something along those lines. I mean, you use your imagination. You can definitely have some fun with it. So once again, I took my cell phone. I used Adobe Captivate to look at me through the camera on the cell phone, and I mirror casted the cell phone to the TV, and then I used my studio camera to record from the TV. So I was able to utilize Captivate as like a vector graphic capture for video, which is pretty cool. So don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button. Peace out.